Hello! Did you know that the royal barge behind me was owned by Prince Frederick? It was very special to him. The boat was like a limousine.
I like this figurehead because it says beware of the dog on its collar. Once I had the dog who ran away.
Hi, this is Flippers introducing HMS Scannet. It is my favourite figurehead because it's cute.
Did you know that the royal barge behind me is painted with real gold? Once Prince Frederick offered me a swim with it.
I like this figurehead because of its crown. It isn't a normal crown because it's a castle. Amazing.
I like this figurehead. It was on a ship called the HMS Ajax. Ajax was a Greek warrior who was really strong.
This is a speedboat and it goes really fast and it's really shiny.
I really like the golden painted figures on this barge. I'm going to book my seat in the box for tomorrow.
This is a model of the Royal Pindy. It was used to carry passengers at first, but then it was used in World War II.
This is a figurehead of King Neptune. This figurehead reminds me of a movie called The Little Mermaid.
Awesome, that's a light from a lighthouse.
Boring.
It's not boring, it's got 203 steps inside. Also, if there was no light inside, boats would crash everywhere.
Whoa, now that's super boring.
Hi, my name is Bea and I'm here with my friends. I'm Puffo.
And I'm Amanda.
And we're here to tell you about the object behind us.
What is it?
This is a propeller that was used on the back of ships to make them move.
Wow, it's so big. I wonder how big the ship was.
Massive.
Whoa, the lighthouse is bright. Good thing I have my sunglasses.